Today's book I'm going to read to you is all about rainbows. The sun's light. What are rainbows? We cannot touch or feel a rainbow. Rainbows are made from sunlight and water droplets. Sunlight has 7 colors. Humans do not see the colors. To our eyes, the light is white. The 7 colors are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. A prism breaks white light into 7 colors. This is called refraction. The prism refracts or bends the white light so we can see the colors in it. Seeing a rainbow. When there are water droplets in the air, the sun's light reflects them. The water droplets act like a prism. They refract the white light. Your location and the sun's position determine if you can see a rainbow. You might see a rainbow from the front of your school. People behind the school might not be able to see it at all. A rainbow is really a full circle of colors. From the ground, we can only see half of the rainbow or the arc. The end.